Hi Eric, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Beside me is the vehicle you inquired about. This is our 2017 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Cabriolet. A beautiful vehicle, a hand-built V8 up front. Car's finished in a selenite gray metallic. You see that aggressive, very sporty front end. LED headlights, intelligent light system from Mercedes-Benz, our star logo in the middle there with our Distronic radar guided cruise control, a part of the driver assistance package. Beautiful forged cross-spoke wheels, big perforated discs, AMG brake calipers as well. You'll see that V8 bi-turbo badging and a beautiful side line here as we look along this aluminum trim along the back, coming around to the rear. Wrap around LED taillights, dual tip exhaust on the bottom, AMG and C63 badging on this car as well. Just very aggressive, very sporty. Let's take a look at the interior. Inside our C63, we can take a closer look at the interior. A beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. We have our leather seating here, suede inserts along the seating as well. Beautiful natural grain wood trim AMG badging. You'll see our 8.3-inch display showing our navigation, our Bluetooth, our multimedia, and then dual zone climate control systems, navigation, radio, media, phone, shortcuts. When you come down to the center, you have your dynamic vehicle driving modes. This changes between comfort, sport, sport plus. Completely changes the feel of the vehicle. Manual driving mode, adjustable suspension, also changing your dynamic sport driving. AMG performance exhaust, traction controls, and of course here is our convertible top and open buttons. When you put the vehicle in reverse, you'll see the backup camera come up as well as a wide angle view. So it makes maneuvering the vehicle, backing out of parking spots very easy, very low stress. A full parking system includes a lot of parking sensors, and of course this is an AMG vehicle, so that bi-turbo V8 absolutely screams, but an incredibly comfortable car to drive. Quiet, not too loud when you just want to cruise. You turn the exhaust on and you put your foot down, you'll hear the sounds of thunder rolling from your exhaust. Driver assistance package includes radar guided cruise control, lane and steering assist, so it's the closest you can get currently to a automated vehicle with Mercedes-Benz. Paddle shifters here, a great vehicle, certified pre-owned, serviced and purchased originally at our dealership. Eric, I'm happy to answer any other questions you have about the model. I know you're out of state, so I figured we'd put together this video tour, kind of close the gap between you and the vehicle. You can comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, post it in the comments, any videos you'd like to see. If you would like to inquire about the vehicle or any vehicle here, you can call me directly on my cell phone, 207-210-4796, or I'm available via email. It's sroe, that's S-R-O-E, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.